Alright, service order for building 20655. AC is not working in room 132. Gonna start diagnosing the system. We got power to the thermostat for low voltage, and we have the breaker on for HVAC for the air handler, and we have power for the heat pump. Go ahead and calibrate this sensor. System has been tampered with. It's at +6. I'm gonna calibrate it at 0.0. Okay, we're gonna put it at, for cooling, snowflake, heating, automatic, off. We're leave it in cooling. Lower auto, we're gonna leave it on. System's calling for a condenser. Reversing valve is not getting the 24 volts. Open up the air handler. EMS controller sending the signal from room sensor down to your controller, down to your unit. We're going to check for 24 volts, low voltage. Blower is on, system's in heating. Get a good ground. We're going to be checking for 24 volts. We do have 24 volts for our condenser. Reversing valve, we're not getting nothing at all. The system is hot, which is stuck in heating. What we're going to do is just connect our reversing valve to our 24 volts for your condenser. Heard the reversing valve switch over. Controller needs to be reprogrammed. System now in cooling. Supply air coil is at 100 degrees and will start dropping as soon as the coil starts getting cold. Get a good return. Transformers are good, fuses are good, everything is okay. I'm getting a temperature reading right above the evap coil. Supply air is at 73 degrees and dropping. Gonna walk into the room to get a space temp. Space temp is 80 degrees. Room sensor is reading 82 degrees. My rate tech is reading 82.5. So the sensor is reading correctly. Return air is at 83 degrees. Supply air is at 73 degrees, which is exactly what I'm getting at my air handler. Gonna give it some time so the air could start dropping, and we're gonna have to reprogram this controller. System was already working, real easy to troubleshoot. Had to check the low voltage on my reversing valve. $71 degrees. $72. Blower speed is at low speed. I'll be turning off the system. Changing the fan speed from low to high. Which is on number 3 for high speed. Powering up the unit. Fan speed came back on. Now the system is in high. We have access to our disconnect on our air handler, which is our main breaker for our disconnect for the unit. And we do have the main breaker from the electrical panel, which is HVAC. This is the air handler, and the rooftop HVAC heat pump, this is our condenser. So when we're troubleshooting the system, we could turn off the system from the main air handler or from the room. Either way, safety first. Make sure you turn out the power and not touch any wires for any safety purposes. supply air still at 72 degrees. And dropping, I will inform the customer that the system's working properly. Just need to reprogram this control right here. System is bypassed right here, sending the 24 volts to our condenser for the reversing valve. Which is unit 132. We'll go up to the rooftop and make sure that everything is working properly. Make sure that the wires are not crossed upstairs. Roof access in the electrical room.